everyone, my name is Vandana Saroj and right now I am standing in sector 111 of गुड़गांव। ये जो लोकेशन है ये है द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे जो ऑलरेडी इनोग्रेट हो चुका है। और सेक्टर 111 की अगर मैं बात करूँ, मेरे राइट साइड देखेंगे तो यहाँ से आप गुड़गांव दिल्ली का बॉर्डर देख सकते हैं जो कि अप्रॉक्स 200 मीटर्स अवे है। सो ये है 111 सेक्टर एंड मेरे राइट में है सेक्टर 113। दीज आर द लास्ट सेक्टर्स ऑफ द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे। अब द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे की जो इम्पोर्टेंस है, बिकॉज आप ऐसी जगह पर रहते हैं कि आपका जो एड्रेस है वो गुड़गांव का है लेकिन आप बिल्कुल पास में हैं दिल्ली के। जैसे ही आप 200 मीटर्स ड्राइव करते हैं आप होंगे द्वारका में। अगर आप लेते हैं यहाँ से लेफ़्ट तो हीरो होंडा चौक गुड़गांव का, स्ट्रेट जाते हैं तो क्लोवरलीफ फ्लाईओवर, राइट में न्यू गुड़गांव एंड लेफ्ट में थ्रू क्लोवरलीफ फ्लाईओवर यू विल बी ऑन SPR रोड। तो ये है पूरी कनेक्टिविटी द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे के थ्रू जो ऑलरेडी ओपन हो चुका है, इनोग्रेट हो चुका है एंड कम्प्लीटली आप इसके ऊपर ड्राइव कर सकते हैं दिल्ली टू गुड़गांव एंड गुड़गांव टू दिल्ली बैक। अब इस कनेक्टिविटी को समझने के बाद बात कर लेते हैं सेक्टर 111 के बारे में। ये है पूरी का जो लैंड पैच है, जो इनके एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं मेरे बिल्कुल बैक साइड। ये मेरे लेफ्ट में जो रोड देख रहे हैं मेन द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे फेसिंग, इस पर जैसे ही आप जाते हैं सिर्फ 10 मीटर्स अंदर तो आप देखेंगे पूरी के एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स जहाँ पर लोग ऑलरेडी रह रहे हैं। तो ये जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं मेरे बैक साइड, दीज आर द लग्जरी रेजिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑफ पूरी। और जैसे ही आप 50 मीटर ड्राइव करते हैं ऑन सेम रोड तो आप पहुँच जाएंगे पूरी के न्यूली लॉन्च प्रोजेक्ट पर जो कि रेरा अप्रूव्ड प्रोजेक्ट है और रिसेंटली लॉन्च हुआ है। तो इस प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है पूरी डिप्लोमेटिक रेजिडेंसेस। This project is with all the luxury clubhouse which you can see yourself and even their simple apartment is also ready. So I am going to cover Puri diplomatic residences from sector 111 Dwarka Expressway Gurgaon in this video. We are here in front of Puri Diplomatic Residences, Sector 111, Dwarka Expressway, Gurgaon. If I talk about the project, then this is RERA approved, and if I talk about the developer, then this is a renowned brand. Puri is known for delivering luxury. Now let's talk about specifically this project. The clubhouse of Puri Diplomatic Residences. Look at this beautiful clubhouse. There are different levels of this clubhouse with all the amenities like pool, nightclub, karaoke, indoor games. There are many more things which are part of this luxury clubhouse. And yes, there is going to be one indoor temperature controlled pool. This project got its RERA in Feb and now it's RERA approved project. Here we are expecting total 692 apartments across 5 towers with a tower height of G+32. And all these 5 towers have 3 BHK units. And recently added one more tower with 4 BHK sizes. Size is approx 3457 square feet, all fully loaded apartments. This project is getting constructed with My One Construction. The place where I am sitting right now, this is their actual clubhouse, and the size of this clubhouse is approx 60,000 square feet with all the amenities which you can expect in any luxury residential project. There is going to be addition to this clubhouse of approx 30,000 square feet, which is going to be kid-centric clubhouse with all the amenities which are required for your kids' development and enjoying day-to-day life. The moment you are booking your visit with us for experiencing this luxury clubhouse of 60,000 square feet is already equipped with massive gym, professional boxing, nightclub with karaoke, private dining, bar with karaoke, nightclub, workspaces, and gold class ambience in their movie theater. Let's talk about the sizes now. Here you are going to see 3 BHK sizes across all 5 towers, and their first size starts with 3 BHK plus study, and the super area is 2282 square feet. Next size is also of 3 BHK plus study, and the super area is 2380 square feet, and the last size is 3 BHK plus study plus servant with a super area of approx 2440 square feet. They have also launched their 4 BHK tower, and the tower height is same approx G plus 32, and this 4 BHK tower has one size approx 3457 square feet. This is fully loaded 4 BHK. Fourth floor of this luxury clubhouse. If I talk about the structure of this clubhouse, it starts with the basement, then ground, first, second, which has all the amenities, and even their simple apartment also. Now we are on the fourth floor where you are going to experience their pool. This is the one beauty which is going to come with Puri Diplomatic Residences. With this pool, you can see the boundary of this clubhouse, and your apartments are going to come on this land. This L-shaped land patch is going to have 5 towers and one more upcoming tower with 4 BHK sizes in coming time. Now this is the beautiful look of Puri Diplomatic Residences from sector 111. And if I talk about the current prices here per square feet, then for 3 BHK it is approx 20,000 rupees per square feet, and for 4 BHK as on date the price is approx 24 to 25,000 rupees per square feet. And rest, they do have a simple apartment which can be visited with us as per your convenient time. From this, if you own a unit at this project, then you can share the detail of your unit for making an exit here. And if you are looking for one apartment, then we are always here to assist you with the best price in the market. fountains and dancing with the rhythm. You have seen this beautiful Puri diplomatic residences from sector 111 Dwarka Expressway, Gurgaon. Now, if you want to experience their luxury clubhouse, you want to look at their beautiful simple apartment, or you want to book your apartment here. So in all the cases, we are there to assist you. If you are an NRI and looking for seamless service in Gurgaon real estate market, we are there to help you. Let's meet in next video with a new beautiful project and a new location. Bye-bye.